Class 8 Maths Chapter 3 Algebra. Today we are discussing about the topic graph introduction. There was an instance in the 17th century when René Descartes, a famous mathematician, became ill and from his bed noticed an insect covering over a corner and sitting at various places on the ceiling. He wanted to identify all the places where the insect sat on the ceiling. Immediately he drew the top plane of the room in a paper, creating the horizontal and vertical lines. Based on these perpendicular lines, he used the direction and understood that the place of the insect can be plotted by the movement of the insect in this east, west, north and south direction. He called that places x, y in the plane, which indicates two values, one x in the horizontal direction and the other y in the vertical direction. East, west, north, south. Okay, then x dash, y dash. Okay. The next sign in the graph, x coordinate of a point is positive along ox and negative along ox. This one is positive. This one is positive. Then ox dash, x dash, y dash. X means positive numbers, x dash means negative numbers. Then y means positive numbers, y dash means negative numbers. Ox is positive. Ox dash means negative. The next y coordinate of a point positive along oy is equal oy positive, oy dash negative. The next one, ordered pairs. A point represents a position in a plane. A point is denoted by a pair a, b of two numbers a and b listed in a specific order, in which a represents the distance along x-axis and b represents the distance along the y-axis. It is called a ordered pair a, b. It helps us to locate precisely a point in the plane. Each point can be exactly identified by a pair of numbers. It is also clear that the point B, A. Is not a same as A, B, as the both indicate different orders. Okay, we have x, O, x dash. We have x, O, x dash and y, O, y dash as the coordinate axis, and let m be the 4, 3. M be the 4, 3 in the plane to located m. Okay, you always start at O, a fixed point. Okay, first move 4 units along the horizontal direction and then track along the y direction 3 units. Okay, then x value 4, 3. X value is 4. Then 4th unit move. Then next 3 means y value. Then this side is y value. Then move. Then located m 4, 3. Okay, 4 is called the x coordinate and m is called the y coordinate of m. It is also capital to name the x coordinate as a epsilon and the y coordinate as a coordinate. 4, 3 is an ordered pair. The intersecting point of a perpendicular lines O represented the origin 0, 0. Okay, Cartesian system. René Descartes' system of fixing a point with the help of two measurements, horizontal and vertical, is named as a Cartesian system. In his honor, the horizontal line is named as x, O, x dash, called as the x-axis. The vertical line is named as y, O, y dash, called the y-axis. Both the axes are called coordinate axes. The plane containing the x-axis and the y-axis is known as the coordinated plane or the Cartesian plane. The next coordinate of a point of the x-axis. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. Y value 0 means that line is x-axis. The next x value 0 means the axis is y-axis. The axis is y-axis. The next one, quadrant. The coordinate axis divide the plane of the graph into 4 regions called quadrant. It is a convention that the quadrant are named in the anti-clockwise sense starting from the positive side of the x-axis. X, x dash, y, y dash. Okay. Then x value all the one positive value, x dash value all the one negative value. Then same as y value all the one positive value, y dash all the one negative values. Then x, y. Then first this one is first quadrant. Then next x, y dash, x dash y, the second coordinate. Then third coordinate x dash y dash. Then fourth coordinate y dash x. Okay. The third quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. Okay. The first quadrant, all the one x value plus y value plus all the one plus means then first quadrant. Then second quadrant, x value minus y value plus. Okay, x value minus y value plus. This one is second quadrant. Third quadrant, x value minus y value also minus. The third quadrant, all the one minus. Okay, fourth quadrant, x value plus y value minus. Then fourth quadrant, x value plus y value minus. All the one plus means first quadrant. All the one plus means first quadrant. All the one minus means third quadrant. Are you understand? Then x value minus means second quadrant. Y value minus means fourth quadrant. Are you understand? Plotting the given points on the graph. Consider the following points 4, 3, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 6, 5, minus 2, 6, 0, 0, minus 5. The first one point 4, 3. X value 4, y value 3. X value 4, y value 3. Okay, the x-axis 4, then y axis 3. Okay, first point 4, 3, m value. Next, minus 4, plus 5. X value minus 4. This one minus 4. Y value plus 5. Okay, then m after n. Okay, next, minus 3, minus 6. 2 value also same. Minus symbol. Then third coordinate. X value minus 3. Y value minus 6. Okay, m, n, p, q. The next point q. 5, 2. X value plus 5 this side. Y value minus 2. Okay, q. Are you understand? The next one 6, 0. 6. X value plus 6. Y value 0 this side. Next 0, minus 5. X value 0. Y value minus 5. This one. Are you understand? All the one plotting the point. The next one. Exercise 3.8. The first question, fill in the blanks. X-axis and y-axis intersect at origin. X-axis and y-axis intersect at origin. Zero, 0. Origin 0, 0. The second one, the coordinate of the point in third quadrant are always negative. All the one negative. The next third one, 0 comma minus 5 point lies on x value 0 means y axis. X value 0 means y axis. The x coordinate is always dash on the y axis 0. The x coordinate is always dash on the y axis 0. 0 on the y axis. Then fifth one, the dash coordinate are the same for a line parallel to y axis. X coordinate are the same for a line parallel to y axis. Are you understand, students? The next one, say true or false. The first one, minus 10 comma 20 lies in the second quadrant. The first quadrant means all the one positive value. The second quadrant means x value minus y value plus. This one is true. True. Okay. Then second one, minus 9 comma 0 lies on the x-axis. Y value 0 means x-axis. Second one also true. Okay. Then third one, the coordinate of the origin are 1 comma 1. The origin means 0 comma 0. Then third one is false. The next one, third question. Question number 3. Find the quadrant without plotting the points on the graph sheet. Okay. The first one, x value plus y value minus. Then which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. The first quadrant means all the one plus value. All the one plus value. This one is first quadrant. Okay. Second quadrant means x value minus y value plus. This one is second quadrant. Third quadrant means all the one minus. Okay. This one is third quadrant. Okay. Fourth quadrant means x value plus y value minus. Then first one is plus minus. Plus minus. This one is fourth quadrant. Okay. Second one, all the one plus means first quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. This one is first quadrant. Then third one also all the one plus. Then y value 0 means x-axis. Y value 0 means this one is x-axis. All the one minus means third quadrant. All the one minus means third quadrant. Then next one, 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma plus comma minus, the fourth quadrant. Then next minus 7 comma 2. Minus 7 comma 2. Then first one is minus, second one plus, the second quadrant. Then next minus 8 comma 0. Then y value 0 means x-axis. X value 0 means y-axis. Then minus 9 comma 50. First one minus, second one plus. This one is second quadrant. Are you understand, students? The next question number 4. Plot the following points in a graph sheet. A value 5 comma 2, B value minus 7 comma minus 3, C value minus 2 comma 4, D value minus 1 comma minus 1, E value 0 comma minus 5, F value 2 comma 0, G value 7 comma minus 4, H value minus 4 comma 0, I value 2 comma 3, J value 8 comma minus 4, K value 0 comma 7. Okay. Then first one point, x value 5, y value 2. X value 5, x value 5, y value 2. Then A point. Second one is minus 7 comma minus 3. Third quadrant. Minus 7 comma minus 7. This one is minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. The next one, minus 2 comma 4. X value minus 2. Y value 4. This one is third point. C. Fourth point, D, minus 1 comma minus 1. X value minus 1. Y value also minus 1. Okay. Next, E point, 0 comma minus 5. X value 0. Y value minus 5. The next one, 2 comma 0. X value 2. Y value 0. Okay. This one is x value 2. Y value 0. The next one 7 comma minus 4. X value 7 plus 7. Y value 0. This one. Okay. The next one 2 comma f point 2 comma 0. X value 2. Y value 0. 7 comma minus 4. X value plus 4. Y value minus 4. X value plus 4 7. This one is y value minus 4. Okay, this one is G point. H point minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4. Y value minus x value minus 4. Y value 0. This one is. The next one 2 comma 3. X value 2. Y value 3. 8 comma minus 4. X value plus 8. Y value minus 4. This one. Okay. Next 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7. This one is K point. Are you understand? The next one, fifth question. Use the graph to determine the coordinate where each figure is located. Okay. Then first one is star 3 comma 2. The first one picture star x value 3 y value 2. 3 comma 2. Okay. The next one x value 2 y value 0. 2 comma 0. X value 2 y value 0. Okay. The next one x value 0 y value 2. This one x value minus 1 y value minus 1. This one x value minus 2 y value also minus 2. This one x value minus 2 y value plus 2. This one x value minus 3 y value plus 3. This one x value 0 y value minus 2. Minus 2. This one x value 3 y value minus 1. Okay. Star 3 comma 2, bird minus 2 comma 0, red circle minus 2 comma 2, diamond minus 2 comma plus 2, triangle minus 1 comma 1, ant 3 comma minus 1, mango 0 comma 2, house fly 2 comma 0, medal minus 3 comma plus 3, spider 0 comma minus 2. Today recap, graph introduction, order of pairs, quadrant, exercise 3.8, sum number 1 to 5. Homework, exercise 3.8, sum number 4, write home test. Thank you dears.